Now we were having a bit of a heated argument about which is the best 200cc bike which you can spend your money on today. Now I think it's as I was saying, I think it's the Bajaj Pulsar NS200 BS6. But other people, who are wrong by the way, think it's that one over there.
Hey cheap copycat, how are you?
Oh really? Because we own most of your company, we're cheap.
Yeah, because you took the engine from the Duke.
I know, because we bought most of your company. Because we could afford to, because you couldn't afford to buy ours back.
Have you seen the NS200 community on internet?
Have you
Squealing
seen how
around?
people ride that thing? The squibs, their elbows out, they're so aggressive and they just go however they want, wherever they want. Such
Fine,
cheap
let's
ride.
find out.
Yeah, you know what? Let's find out. Yeah. Do you know the 199.5cc engine in my bike is exactly the same one in yours and it makes 24.5 bhp?
This makes 25.
Oh yeah? How much fuel does it need to make that 25 bhp?
32.
It's a joke, yeah, the fuel economy is a joke. This delivers between 37 and 38 kmpl and it has 18.6 newton meters of torque.
So definitely this goes longer, but
Yeah.
this is fun.
That is fun, I will give you that. You know what? Let's switch bikes.
So how was it then?
Well, I didn't think I'd say this, but the handling of this bike is truly spectacular. I loved it a lot.
really is.
Bro,
What is this?
oh yeah, one more thing. The engine of this bike. Bro, it heats up so much that I had to cool myself down after riding this bike.
Truly does. And the fan is louder than
fan.
the exhaust.
The fan revolves faster than a helicopter propeller, bro. It makes more of a noise than the exhaust note. It's so hot.
But it compensates in power, definitely.
Definitely. It's a very quick bike. I like the posture quite a lot as well. It's very comfortable. And one more thing to be noted, this bike has dual channel ABS, whereas the Pulsar only has single channel ABS.
The rear wheel locks up a lot of times when you are doing hard braking on this bike, but this is pretty still.
You can brake really late and confidently knowing that you're not going to slip and end up in a huge crash. So this one definitely has a more braking confidence than that one.
That is a performance machine regard to this, but this doesn't slack behind either.
Yeah, that's not far behind, but this one is just more premium and it has more tweaks in a lot of aspects in many different ways.
This rather is a lot more city friendly than that is. It is a very high revving engine. It gets really irritating when you're driving slowly actually.
Yeah, but point to be noted, because it's so high revving, it's actually really good fun when you're just hammering it down. Yeah, because it has more power, it revs quickly and it reaches the rev limiter more quickly than that. So on straights this is more fun, but in the city on that one you have to shift less frequently, so
Right.
it's actually quite comfortable.
But I think the suspension on this one for the roads of India is much better.
I agree.
It's a lot more comfortable, but this inspires a lot more confidence.
Definitely, this is definitely more performance oriented. What do you think of the NS200? Did you like it?
Yeah, actually it handles really well.
Right.
And the weight, though it's 20 kgs heavier, it does not really feel on the high speed stretches.
Right. Because I would think that even though it's quite heavier, that does have a plus point. I mean, do you think it feels more stable than the Duke?
It definitely feels stable on high speeds, but there's a counterpoint to it. It does not do well in corners because of
I
the
agree,
smaller
yeah.
tires and the added weight.
I mean, on the twisties, a Duke is a Duke, bro. Duke is a Duke. And the suspension.
Well, that is USDs
Yeah.
opposed to telescopic form.
Yeah.
But this really does well on
It's not
Indian
bad.
roads.
It's not bad, yeah.
It's really stiff. Sometimes this bike gets uncomfortable, to be honest, on normal roads or bad roads.
But if you just want to hammer it, as I said earlier,
Yeah.
this is a spectacular machine, yeah.
This inspires a lot of confidence in general. So what do you think about the looks then?
You know what? Let's discuss that now. Okay, it should be noted that both these bikes have a halogen headlight and they are very different design languages. So which one do you prefer out of the two?
I think the KTM looks very edgy.
It does, yeah, I agree with
This is
you.
a little more subtle,
Yeah,
but
I mean both of them are edgy, but the KTM is just more edgy and it looks like a switchblade.
yeah, the design actually makes the bike look bigger, and the seat is actually quite large in the Duke.
Personally, I prefer an analog tachometer. I mean that's just
Definitely, it
yeah.
feels really nice.
Yeah, the Duke's instrument cluster offers a lot more information than
Definitely
the Pulsar.
does, yes.
Now the grab handles at the back. The Pulsars are more compact as compared to the Dukes. Dukes are much nicer to hold and much more
Yeah,
comfortable.
they're definitely more bigger.
They are
and-
bigger, yeah.
Yeah, it's just more easier and accessible.
And both of these bikes don't look bad. I mean, both.
But then again, design is completely
it's-
subjective.
I agree, yeah. And if you want to go on the twisties or just a straight line drag race, the Duke is definitely better than the Pulsar.
But if you want to go in the city, go around every day, cramp a lot of miles on, this is the bike you want to get.
Still, bro, NS is way too good, man.
Get the hell over here. You don't deserve standing beside this bike.
Well, that's not even your bike. It's a customer bike which we borrowed for the review. At least I have this. How many spark plugs do you have, bro? How the hardware? It's important.
I have one
I
spark
have
plug.
three. I'm
And
3 times better than
One
you.
spark plug is enough.
Can you get
don't
the
need
Duke?
three.
Can you get the Duke in red color?
Nobody can get an orange.
Who wants orange, bro? Come on, yaar. What is an orange? Who wants an orange? Bike?
I want an orange
When you
bike that
see
looks
an
very
orange bike
fast.
coming, you assume the guy is a trash driver because he has a 200.
You are on a red blazing bike.
It is. It goes blazing quick, blazing
It doesn't go
disciplined.
blazing. It only looks blazing.
It does go. You
It's
just
like a
said it.
racer bike.
It's not a rice. Okay, it is a bit of a ricer bike. I'll give you that.
Yeah, it definitely
It is a bit of a ricer bike, yeah. But, dude, tell me one thing.
Yeah,
You like the Duke so much.
obviously. Who doesn't love the Duke?
Cameraman, pay attention here. If you love the Duke 200 so much, then why have you booked an NS 200?
That is none of your business.
You see, this is the bike you should get.